The MFK 700B trimmer is a lightweight, perfectly balanced and easy to manoeuvre, and with its versatile system of base plates, makes it ideal for both vertical and horizontal use. In this guide, we will take a look at the different features, setup and general use. The main power switch is located to the side and is used to switch the tool on or off. The MFK 700B has variable speed control, adjustable between 10,000 and 26,000 RPM, and can be adjusted using the speed indicator dial. This enables you to optimise the cutting speed to suit the type of material and router bit you are using. To reduce dust while working, the MFK 700 has an integrated dust port that accepts a 27mm hose. The trimmer's router table is optimally designed for cutting protruding edging. The router table has a large contact surface that allows for precise support when routing edges. The router table can be removed simply by loosening the single locking bolt at the side of the tool and lifting the tool off the locking bolts. The trimmer can accept collets from 6.35mm to 8mm. To fit a collet, simply screw the required collet onto the thread and fit loosely. Insert the cutter into the collet and tighten to finger tight so that the slack takes up on the thread. Engage the spindle lock and use a 19mm spanner to tighten the collet. To remove the cutter, reverse the process. Important to note, the collet with its natural tightening process will require a second loosen with the spanner, then the cutter will be able to be removed. The routing base is fitted with a bearing brake to reduce the risk of damage when working on edges. The trimmer is guided so that the ball bearing guide of the cutter rolls between the brake and the edging, keeping the bearing at a feed speed of the user rather than overspeeding and damaging the edge. To replace the trimmer's router table, remove the bearing brake from the base plate. Slide the router table onto the mounting bolts and secure with a locking bolt. The bearing brake can now be fitted to suit the bearing height on the cutter. To set the depth on the trimmer, the table locking bolts at the front and the back of the tool need to be loosened. Once the bolts are loosened, the tool can be adjusted for height with the depth setting wheel. The wheel allows for precision depth settings and has 1/10mm increments marked on the handle. Once the desired depth is reached, the two locking bolts can be tightened. The MFK 700 has a system of optional base plates that are available to add versatility to the trimmer. System base plates that are available include 1.5 degree and 0 degree horizontal base plates for edging work, and also flat base plates for standard routing applications with edge guides. Base plates are also available for screwing copping ring applications for work with templates and router jigs. To keep yourself updated on Festool product information and applications, subscribe to our channel below.